Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to a new video on my 6th channel. Now today's video is the Pet Sematary DVD unboxing. Guys, I'm not gonna show all my Stephen King movies because this video will take 4 hours, but here's the previous Pet Sematary, Stephen King Pet Sematary Special Collector's Edition, and Pet Sematary 2 in a double feature. There's the back, it has loads of special features. And there's the disc. Now, by that, you can tell that, yes, guys, there it is. The new Pet Sematary from this year. Let me get it open. There it is. This is just a gray disc, but I don't care. There it is, guys. The completed Pet Sematary movies. All 3 Pet Semataries I own now. So peace, guys.